Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We are starting from Surah Baqarah at number 80. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وقالوا لن تمسنا النار إلا أياما معدودة. Circle your lips to pronounce wow. Don't use your upper two teeth to touch the lower lip. No, it's not. It's a wrong way. So just circle your lips. Use only your lips to pronounce wow. And for fatha, open your jaws. Wa, qa is heavy letter. We have 7 heavy letters in Quran. This is khussa, ضغط, ضغط, قض, ضغط, قض. These are the 7 heavy letters. Which one are these? It is kha, sad, god, ghain, ta, qaf, and ra. These are the 7 heavy letters. These are the permanent 7 heavy letters which are always heavy. So qaf is one of them. So qa is heavy and it is 2 haraka long. Why? Because alif is followed by fatha, waw is followed by dhamma, and ya followed by kasra. These are the 3 mud letters which are 2 haraka long. So, sorry. These are the heavy letters. We will identify them by capital H, and these are the 2 haraka long letters. These are 2 count stretched letters, which are 3, and these are called mud letters. So, qa is 2 haraka long, 2 counts long. Lu 2 counts long. Why? Because waw is followed by dhamma. وقالوا, look, waw is short and qa 2 counts long, lu 2 counts long. وقالوا la, hold and hide noon and open your jaws for fatha. La, ta is short. Massa, sa is short. Nan, this noon is attached with noon, and this noon has gunna. Why? Because we keep this sound in our nose. Why? Because noon has tashdid. Whenever meme or letter noon has tashdid, we keep the sound in our nose. These 2 letters, meme and meme, has tashdid, then we create a sound in our nose. تمسنا لا تمسنا na is 2 haraka long because alif is followed by fatha. Ru is heavy because of dhamma, and circle your lips well for dhamma. Ru il, and hamza is strong and sharp sound, and it has double e sound. Why? Because it has kasra. Il, and give a medium flow of sound on lam, and then it is 4 haraka stretch. La, fatha is 4 haraka stretch. Illa, ayya, hamza is strong and short, and it's strongly attached with ya because ya has the tashdid. Ayya, ya 2 haraka long. Mem, this meme is attached with this meme because it has tashdid. Tashdid joins the letter which is before that. So mem, ma. Squeeze your throat well to create ain sound, and this should be the sound ma, and give a medium flow of sound on ain. You cannot stop it abruptly. You have to give a medium flow of sound. Do is two haraka long. Why? Because wow is followed by dhamma. Do the. Now, when you stop at this goal ta, the circle ta, you change it into ha. This is the rule. Whenever you stop on this circle ta, you remove these two dots, you remove this fathatain, and then what is left with sukoon? Ha. Ma'duda. Will make this cough heavy because this is part of khussa dagtin qiz. So cough will be heavy and give a medium flow of sound on nam. Qul, don't stop it abruptly. It goes on. Qul at uh, Hamza is very strong letter. Open your jaws for fatha. At ta, ta is with fatha. Open your jaw. Khaz, make kha heavy and give a flow of sound on zal. Khaztum, circle your lips for dhamma and give a medium flow of sound on meme. Tum, ing. Every kasra has double E sound. This double E is very difficult to write, right? Look, double E sound. On every kasra. Indallahi, dal is light, but lafz jalala, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is heavy. Why? Because it is followed by fatha. There is fatha on dal. The letter dal is following this Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, and there is fatha, so that will be heavy. So how you will make it heavy? You will clearly say this sound, law, which you follow in your country. So indallah, law, and it will be two haraka long, he short. Indallahi, and ain is from your throat, and for fatha open your jaws, give a flow of sound on I, dang, hold and hide, fa short, and give a flow of breath, fa lay, yukh, circle your lips for dhamma and give a medium a flow of sound on kha, yukh, and make it heavy because kha is among heavy letters. Look, khussa daqtin qis, kha is one of them. Kha. So yukhli, li, every kasra has double E sound. Yukhli, fallahu, fa, open your jaws for fatha. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will be heavy. Why? Because it is followed by fatha. Fa is following Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, and there is fatha at the top. So we will keep this Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name heavy. Fallah, and how you make it heavy? You clearly say this law sound, law. Yukhlifallahu. Circle your lips for dhamma. The, give a medium flow of sound. A flow of sound on a. The. أم تقولون على الله ما لا تعلمون. Hamza is very strong letter, and on meme give a medium flow of sound. Don't stop it abruptly. It has a medium flow of sound. It's not very long or it's not very short. Ta, ta, open your jaws for fatha. Ta, ta is very strong letter. Qu, two haraka long. Lu, two haraka long. Taqulu, na, noon is short. Taquluna. Squeeze your throat well for ain. Clear sound from throat. Allah. Again, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is heavy, and you are clearly saying this word, law. Ala Allahi, he is short. Ma, two haraka long. La, two haraka long. Why? Alif is followed by fatha. Ta'lamun, give a medium flow of sound on ain, and ta is short. La is short. You are giving temporary sukoon or noon, and this is followed by a mud letter. So you will stretch this mud letter from 2 haraka to 4 haraka. It's not 2 haraka anymore. It is stretched to 4 haraka now. ما لا تعلمون, and give a medium flow of sound on noon. تعلمون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.